Most modern printers allow you to keep track of your ink levels from your computer using the manufacturer's printing app. Others have indicators or gauge on the front panel that indicate low ink warnings. So in this short video tutorial, we will teach you how to see how much ink you have left in various printer brands when you're using a Windows PC. Now in checking printer ink levels in an HP printer, you can open HP Smart app, click the home icon, and once you click on the tab, your printer's ink levels are displayed. Moreover, if you have an Epson printer, you can double-click on the printer icon from the taskbar and then check the ink levels. You will see each cartridge displayed under consumable status. Next up, if you have a Canon printer, you can easily check the ink levels by opening Canon IG Status Monitor. Click the Maintenance tab, choose View Printer Status, then you can now look into your ink levels by the graph that depicts the current estimated ink levels. Lastly, in a Dell printer, you can check your ink levels by opening the Control panel, click View Devices and Printers, double-click on the printer icon, click Adjust Printer Options, click the Services tab, then select Dell Ink Levels. Now those are the various ways on how you can check your printer ink levels on a Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.